Hello everyone, I'm Soni Partyal from Sri Guru Nanak Dev Sikh Public School. In this session, we will break down everything that you need to know rules, tables, hacks, memory tips, and lots of examples. Now, imagine a world where we have to repeat names every time we spoke. Ravi loves Ravi's dog because Ravi thinks Ravi's dog is cute. Oh no, quite exhausting, right? So we need words which can be used in place of nouns to avoid repetition. Pronoun means for a noun. For example, he, she, it, they, who, whom, etc. Right? Do you know there are 8 different types of pronouns? They are on the table here. Okay, let's talk first about personal pronouns. These are called personal pronouns because they stand for 3 different persons: first person, second person, and third person. The person speaking, that's the first person, where I and we are used, and the person spoken to, the second person, you, and the third person, the person spoken of, he, she, it, and they. Look at these in details. This table on your screen is the master table of pronouns. This table gives you all the personal pronouns categorized for different person, singular and plural. We broken them into subjective and objective, which are I'm going to explain shortly. It also covers possessive pronouns and possessive adjective form of pronouns. Now note a few things. You is both singular and plural and both subjective and objective. Also note, pronouns of third person singular usually have 3 genders: he, she, and it. But they for plural third person only. Great. So, what is the difference between the subjective and the objective case? The subjective case is used when the pronoun is the speaker, means the subject of the sentence, right? And the objective case is used when the pronoun is the person spoken of, means the object in the sentence. For example, I went to the store. I is the subject, this performing the action. The teacher called me. The teacher is the subject. Me is now the object receiving the action. She loves chocolates. She is the subject. John gave the book to her. Her is the object and John is the subject in this sentence. So here are 3 sentences for you. So try to identify the errors. The first one, her and I went to the mall. What is the mistake in this sentence? Me and Jay are friends. Tell me what is wrong. She scolded you and I. What about this? If you are having confusion, so here is a hack to crack this. Remove the other person from the sentence. What does that mean? Let's see. She and I went to the mall, or she and me went to the mall. Now let's remove the other person. So let's remove she. Now is it I went to the mall, me went to the mall? Which one is correct? Right answer is I went to the mall. So it should be she and I went to the mall. Try this simple hack for the other 3 sentences and check it up and tell me which answer you got. Have you heard this joke? A lady died and went to the gates of heaven. She knocked at the door, and a voice from inside asked her, "Who is it?" And the lady replied, "It is I." The voice said, "Oh no, not another English teacher. It is me, it is him, it is her." These are commonly spoken, but they are all wrong. The correct forms are it is I, it is she, it is he. The subjective form. This pronoun is the subject in the sentences. Now I am going to tell you about order of priority. It is my friends and I, or I and my friends who come first. Now remember this, the order of priority for pronoun is 2, 3, 1. The second person followed by the third person followed by the first person. You, Harry, and I are going to the gym. Basically, the person we are speaking to come first. We come last. And the other, which is the third person, comes in between. Let's take another example. The teacher scolded you and me, not me and you. I hope this is very clear to all of you. 2, 3, 1. Now let's look at the difference between possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Pronouns are used instead of nouns. So in the same way, possessive pronouns are used to replace nouns to show possession or ownership. The car is mine. The choice is ours. Remember, these are all without an apostrophe. The book is hers, not her. Your bag is here, but my bag is there. Not too many times is saying bag. So, how do we replace it with the pronoun? Your bag is here, but mine bag is there. Since the pronoun replaces the noun, it is not followed by a noun. So we can't say your bag is here, but mine bag is there. That will be completely wrong. As you know that adjectives always modify a noun. So possessive adjectives also modify a noun to show possession or ownership. This is my car, this is our house, this is her book. So, and just like all adjectives are followed by a noun, the possessive adjectives is also followed by a noun. Look at this sentence. Our nation is a great nation. Now, nation is a noun that is repeated. So, we need to replace it with a pronoun. So, we will write ours is a great nation. Possessive pronouns like ours are used to replace the possessive adjectives plus the noun. I put all this information into a table. So, dear learners, that's all for today. I hope you understood. In our next video, we will discuss reflexive pronoun.